Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and this is Robert. Well, for this video, I'm going to show you how I ever earn 36% on Uber. As everybody knows, the Uber is an American stock, and this introduction is not just the saying. I'm going to show you the real data about the transaction. Okay, be careful that this video is not any investment advices, and I strongly suggest you to think independently and finally make your own decision on the investment. Okay, let's go. And well, this is a chart for the Uber, the tendency, and you can see that this is a 1 year tendency. And this is the button. At the button, you can see this. There are transactions of the Uber I ever made on the IBKR. So that's the interactive broker. If anyone didn't have such an account on the IBKR, you can open the IBKR account with the link below this video. And on this transaction history and details, you could see I buy the Uber stock on April 17th this year. That is this point, this deep blue point, as you see here. And when I buy it, the price is about 32 US dollars. And the next row is when I sell that stock, the Uber stock. So the date is August 18th this year, and at this point, this light blue point, I sell it. So when I sell it, the price is about 43.7 US dollar. So totally, I make a gain of 36%. It's not very high. It's not double. It's not 2 times or 3 times. But for me, I think it's not a bad data and the investment because I make the money, and that's a success. Of course, you can say after I sell it, the price up to now goes a very high price. Okay, it's much higher than when I sell than I ever sold. So right now the price is 62 US dollars. But that's okay because never mind about that. Since you sell, it's a sale. Don't regret for your selling. Since you can make some money, you can earn some money. That's great. Somebody would ask me why you sell the Uber at this point. Well, it's a very it's a pity, but I have to do that because I need the money to do some other investment. So I have to sell it. Okay, for this screen, I will show how I did this, the whole process, especially the technical analysis. I use a wave theory. That means on this chart, this is a 5-year long chart, and you can see the stock price is going up and go down. And right now, it rises up again, even higher than the highest price it used to be. So it's ever the price ever was 60 US dollars, but right now it's 62 US dollars. It makes a new high price. Well, for the wave theory, if we use such theory to look through the whole history, and we can see that for the last 2 years, that is in 2021 and 2022, for 2 years, there's a very long way for it to drop down. So with the wave theory, there are 5 waves there. About this, as you can see, for the long time drop down, there are 5 waves. This is the first, the second, the third, the fourth, and the fifth. And finally, it gets to the bottom, and then it goes up again. While where I buy is just at the second wave. When it goes up, when it rises up, at the second wave, I buy it. So and just at the deep blue point, as you can see here. And I sell it at the third wave. Of course, I didn't sell it at a very good price, at a very good point, because I have to use the money to buy some other stocks, so I have to sell it. Maybe this is not perfect, but that's enough for me. And up to now, it goes to the fourth wave, and this wave it rise up very fast and very high. Okay, and based on the technique analysis, I also do some other analysis, like the fundamental analysis. For the fundamental analysis, I have to watch through the financial data. So that's financial data, not very detailed and specific, but it's just a gross data. Okay, as you can see on this figure, there are 4 years: the 2019, the 2020, 2021, and 2022. Why I'm going to check the fundamental analysis? Because I found that for the last 2 years, 2021 and 2022, the stock price is dropping down all the way. I just curious about that. Why? What happened to Uber? Is the data or the financial data become very bad? But after I check it, I found that's not the truth. Actually, the data is become better and better. As you can see here, the total revenue from the 2019 to 2022 is going up. It's rise up. It's increasing. All right. On 2019, it's about 14. Okay. Well, when it goes to 2022, it becomes 31. So, how about that? Doubled. Okay. The total revenue become as twice as it ever be. So that's good. That's very good data. So the company make a very good performance and development. And for the gross profit, as you can see, that's the same case and the same situation. And 2019 is just 6. Well, when it goes to the 2022, it becomes 12. Very good. 2 times of that the past 3 years ago. So that's all about how I make money on the Uber stock, and hope everybody would like this video, and hope this video would help you on the investment. If you like my video, you can subscribe my channel and thumbs up and concern about my updates. Okay, thank you and have a good day.